Hello, good evening. Today we're gonna discuss project. Our project is SARS-CoV-2 detection through AI. Agenda. Our agenda is by examining the patient records, symptom data, and medical imaging. Artificial intelligence can be utilized to identify SARS-CoV-2. You have any doubts?
Oh,
Okay. Uh, in medical imaging, AI algorithms are able to identify patterns that are consistent with COVID-19 infections. We use large data sets can be used to train machine learning models to look for SARS-CoV infection related patterns. SARS-CoV detection can be made more accurate and quick using AI detections. Healthcare practitioners may be benefited from faster and more accurate results. Uh, Now I introduce myself. My name is Vamshi Krishna. I am the project manager. Uh, Venkatesh. Venkatesh is our quality analyst. Hanit is our tester. Anusha is our developer. Reshma is also our developer. And finally, Alekia is our facilitator. Here I hand. Here I give. Sorry. Here the problem statement will be explained by uh, my friend Venkatesh.
Hello, good evening. This is Venkatesh Kaniganti. I'm going to give you a brief statement about the problem. The problem statement is one of the basic moves towards containing viral spread is a convenient discovery of positive cases locally. Right now, numerous nations of the world, including USA, subsequently for defeating the issue, we have proposed a model which is proficiently ordered the coronavirus positive and negative cases well development in time. In this way, gave the issue the undertaking is to characterize individuals as coronavirus positive of coronavirus negative by utilizing a responsible mechanized AI. Next, please.
Once.
And here comes the project description. Identifying the coronavirus early may assist in conceiving a fitting treatment with an arranging and illness control choices. In this review, we show how move gaining from a profound learning models can be utilized to perform coronavirus discovery. Utilizing the pictures from the three most usually utilized clinical imaging modes, X-beam, ultrasound, and CT filter. The point is to give our overfocused clinical experts a second set of eyes through voice profound learning picture characterization models. Thank you. I'm hand over to Reshma right now.
Hi, good evening everyone. Myself Reshma, I'm project developer. So basically when a person is suffering with COVID, so he'll definitely go to the hospital and he can upload his or her reports into application and it will give the result of COVID, either it's positive or negative. Also it gives specific variant. We can find the specific instructions about the COVID variant as well. If the person wants toolkit, they can also order the kit by using this application. So we do have three examples with the person. Stella is a 27-year-old woman. She visited the hospital for a checkup because she wasn't feeling well and to see if she was exhibiting any COVID symptoms. She performed a CT scan and obtained the results. However, no doctors are accessible to discuss the papers and receive input. By using SARC COVID-19 detection through AI, she can upload the report in the application result the and can result and she can get the result. So here we do have second example. Rishabh is a 42-year-old man. He is affected with COVID-19 and he needs to take care of his health by taking some remedies from doctors. He cannot go out and he is affected with COVID-19 through SARC COVID-19 detection through AI. He can discuss his situation through chatbot and get suggestions from doctor. Here we do have third example. Richa, a 35-year-old woman. is having COVID-19 symptoms, but she's not sure about that. So she want to test herself. Using SARC COVID-19 detection through AI, she can order a toolkit for testing. Thank you.
How the technologies are explained by Anusha.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. This is Anusha. So now I'm going to talk about the technologies that we are using in COVID-19 through project. So basically, in this project, we are using artificial intelligence. So these are why we are using this artificial intelligence means, so basically when the person is affected for the COVID, so the person are not able to go outside. So at that moment, so by using this artificial intelligence, so we can, as Reshma and Venkatesh said, like, we can just upload the reports like the X-ray or CT scan like that, so that the artificial intelligence will detect the reports, and based on the methodologies, it will give the correct accuracy of the COVID patient. So who is not like non-COVID and who are affected with the COVID. So by using this technology, we can get the positive and the negative result. So based on that, we can take the medications, and we can get the toolkits like that, or we can order the toolkits. Also we can get some, like we have some variants in COVID-19, so that we can get the specifications related to the COVID-19. Also we can use the methodologies like ResNet. So by using ResNet and transfer learning, so these are the technologies, like these are the methodologies, and by using these methodologies, we can get the accuracy of the COVID result. Yeah, that's it. And I'll hand over to the next person.
Hanit will be
Yeah.
explaining the team working agreement.
Yeah, well, for any type of project, we'll be having a team working agreement. Initially, it is the team working agreement is nothing but a set of rules where initially every individual person in the group needs to take an oath to do follow everything. And these are divided into 5 individual modules. And just like personal interaction, while coming up to the personal interaction, can I just click on it, or else I can just explain? Yeah, just click on the link, hyperlink. Yeah. Just leave it. I
Okay,
can explain.
okay.
No worries. Oh, okay, fine. Well, coming into the personal interaction where every person in the groups need to interact with each other. So there is the personal interaction session where initially the which type of project and what are the ideas from the individual is going to come out from each and every person, and it is the initial stage for any kind of project execution. And the second most important thing is every individual should equally split the amount among themselves. So neither one of them should not get even partiality about these kind of work impacts. So the work should be equally divided, like the project ideas and the Wikipedia pages or the group discussions or any kind of PPTs, any presentations which we are going to in further and right now. And managing the conflict is nothing but the ideas which we got will be some kind of random. So everyone usually needs to have it and mingle with every person, and then itself he needs to come up with a unique idea and everyone should agree with that. It's nothing but the managing conflicts, and there are several kind of drawbacks and pros and cons in it. So we need to manage and we need to come out with a group like. And others is just like the interaction sessions, or where we gonna transfer our files and documents, and where is the mode of interaction, just like WhatsApp or Zoom and the Slack, where we can usually interact with each other. So, and again, coming to the last and the team members, initially the team members presentation is very much needed so that no unidentified person can drag our concept and he can misuse it. That's it. And I'll transfer to Anusha Reddy about the
Okay.
retrospect.
Okay. Alekia will be discussing about the retrospective view.
Yeah, myself, Alekia, I'm the facilitator of this project, and I'm going to tell you about retrospective. In retrospective, the project will be initiated with a clear object and the scope defined, and the teams are formed, and the roles and responsibilities were assigned, and planning will be not be break down the project into smaller tasks, and it will set the timelines, and execution begins with regular check-ins and progress tracking. An unforeseen challenge arose during the project which requires adjustments and problem solving. Next slide.
Yeah.
Communication was a crucial in keeping the team stakeholders about the progress and any changes. Project should be completed in timeline and the scope and the budget. Project outcome was evaluated against the initial objective to determine the success. The lesson we learned are documented for the future reference and improve the process for the future projects. The project team celebrated the successful completion of the project and recognized the team members for their contribution. Thank you.
This is the group wiki link which has been placed here. This is all about our presentation. Thank you all.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.